Are you heading to Takayama and not sure where to stay? Hi everyone, this is Klook Adventures, and this video might be exactly what you're looking for. Come check in with us at Mercure Hida Takayama. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Klook Adventures, and for today, nandito kami ngayon sa Takayama, Japan, and we are staying here at Mercure Hida Takayama. Malapit lang to sa Takayama Station, and kaya naman, let's have a quick room tour. We are staying at room 823. So this room is located at 8th floor, and this is a privilege room na may free lounge access na. So upon entering, ang makikita nyo agad is this side. Dito, wala silang cabinet na or dresser. Ano lang siya, open cabinet. Pwede kayo maghang ng mga coats ninyo dito. Tapos, open area na pwedeng paglagyan ng mga luggage. Meron pa dito din, malawak siya. Pwede nyo paglagyan ng mga gamit ninyo. And this side naman is the bathroom or yung CR. Pasok tayo. Siyempre, it's automatic toilet. Dito naman is the sink, tapos yung mirror niya. Provided na din yung mga towels. Meron na din silang hair dryer dito. And also, yung mga toiletries. Meron na ditong toothbrush. Meron na silang vanity clip. Tapos, meron din sila ditong liquid cleansing or yung pang hilamos. Facial wash. Meron din sila ditong liquid soap tsaka body lotion. On this side naman is the shower area. So sa shower area, provided na din lahat ng mga toiletries. So meron silang shampoo, may body wash, and conditioner. So meron silang overhead na shower tsaka yung rain shower. Ito naman mga drawer na to, may laman to guys. So, this one, ito yung safe nila. Kung may kailangan kayo itagong mahalagang bagay. Then, provided yung mga in-room sleepers, shoe meat, panglinis ng shoes. Tapos, sa kabilang drawer naman sa ilalim are the pajamas. Yan. And this is a family room. Good for 4 siya. We have the king-size bed. Ito yung unang bed. And then, meron pa isang bed dito na single bed. So, total, pwedeng makatulog is 4 people. Tapos, ito naman yung provided na TV dito sa room namin. Maganda dito kasi smart TV siya. Pwede kayo manood ng Netflix, ng YouTube, or anything na gusto nyong panoodin kasi smart TV na nga siya. At malaki siya. Meron siya ditong bedside table. Nandito na din yung mga saksakan. Meron silang USB-C. Merong USB na saksakan. And then, yung mga port para makapag-charge kayo nandito din. And also the buttons para sa mga lights. Ayan. And these are the welcome amenities na bigay sa amin ng Mercure. So, may orange, tapos may mga sweets and grapes. Tapos, syempre, meron siyang personalized letter for us. And also, a greeting card. Kasi Christmas ngayon. So, meron na din dito na espresso machine. And then, yung mga gagamitin nyo for your coffee is nandito naman siya sa drawer. So, meron na ding manual on how to use the Nespresso machine. And meron na din sila ditong provided na iba't ibang capsule. A total of 6 capsules here. And meron na ding powdered cream, may sugar. Meron din sila 2 kinds of tea. Dito naman sa baba is the mini fridge. Actually, wala tong laman. Yan yung mga binili na namin kahapon. Provided lang nila is the free drinking water. So, meron na din ditong coffee table sa loob ng room. And then, parang chair. It looks like a rocking chair, pero hindi siya nag-rock, no? It looks like a rocking chair lang, pero yan. And another chair, meron dito na foldable na chair. So, pwede mo ditong gamitin. Tapos dito, may access kami sa parang veranda. Ito siya. So, pwede kayong pumunta dito to check on the view. Ayan o, makikita mo yung view ng Takayama. Ayan. And pagka medyo naiinitan kayo sa room, pwede nyo lang ding i-open kasi malamig sa labas. Sometimes sa room, medyo mainit. So, you can open this door para lumamig sa loob ng room.
Good morning, guys! So, this is our last day here in Takayama, in Mercure Hida Takayama. And we're going to have our breakfast. Hapon kasi hindi namin na-video yung breakfast namin. Medyo nagmamadali kami to go to Shirakawa-go. But today, I'll show you ano yung mga food choices dito sa Mercure Hida Takayama during breakfast sa restaurant nila. The restaurant is located at first floor. It's cold floor. And then, ang breakfast time is from 6:45 until 10 a.m. So, 6:40 pa lang ngayon. We're heading down na para maaga kami makapag-breakfast. Ito yung coffee area nila. Meron silang brewed coffee. And then, meron din sila dito mga different choices of coffee. May cappuccino, espresso, meron ding iced coffee dyan. These are the desserts or pastries. Meron brownies. These are cheesecakes. Tapos ito yung favorite namin, tiramisu. Ayan. Over here are fish cakes. Merong fries, tofu. Ayan. Ito daw yung Hida soybean. Ano, this is Hida's local cuisine daw. This one. Ayan. These are eggs.
The breakfast here was a good mix of Japanese and Western options. Everything was fresh, satisfying, and exactly what we needed before heading out for another day of exploring. Simple but definitely a great way to start your morning here. One of our favorite amenities in this hotel is the Onsen. It is located at the top floor where you can truly relax and unwind. It is surrounded by the views of the mountain and the city. They have both indoor and outdoor baths so you can choose your vibe. Plus, they also have private options if you want more intimate experience. One of the best things about staying at Mercure Hida Takayama is its location. It's walking distance to Takayama Station, so you can just arrive and start exploring right away. If you need to go somewhere else, places like Hida Furukawa, which is perfect for shooting anime-style your name photos, are easy to reach. You are also super close to Hida Takayama Old Town, where you can stroll around, soak in the charming streets, and of course, try the famous Hida beef. And for day trips, it's just a short walk to Nohi Bus Terminal, where you can hop on a bus straight to Shirakawa-go. Convenience and charm all in one spot. Our stay at Mercure Hida Takayama was truly memorable. The location is perfect, the onsen was so relaxing, and the breakfast was delicious. The staffs here are very friendly and English-speaking. They even have a cozy fireplace near the reception, and they also offer Yamato service so you can easily send your bags to your next hotel. The rooms are spacious and perfect for couples or families. All of this combined made our trip smooth, relaxing, and unforgettable. If you're visiting Takayama, this hotel is definitely worth it. And we booked our stay at Mercure Hida Takayama via Agoda, and you can get up to 10% off on hotels and accommodations when you use our code KURTAGODA. And if you're also booking activities, transportation, or eSIMs, use KA Agoda to get up to 5% off. It's super convenient and helps you save while planning your trip. Links and codes are in the description, so don't forget to check them out before you book. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and follow us in our social media accounts. This is Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure, goodbye!